Hey everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today we're going to be comparing the Pixel 7 Pro versus the iPhone 13 Pro camera in the daytime. Now I will do a nighttime video, but I can't yet because it's still daytime. So because of that, I just can't do a video in the night. So I'll do that later tonight. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy this comparison. We'll cover the camera and both photos and videos. So let's get started. This is a test of speaking while walking along. Just seeing how the different phones perform. And also tested the stabilization on both these phones. Kind of curious to see which one does a better job. Be a good test. And we're gonna go outdoors now, so hopefully we see what it's like outdoors, testing the camera outside. So it's a little bit less background noise out here, but still some background noise. Looks like the Pixel phone has autofocus, which the iPhone does not have. It's a good test of the camera. Looks like the Pixel phone has autofocus, which the iPhone does not have. It's a good test of the camera. Hope you all really enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll leave you all to it. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Give the video a like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and comment below what else you want to see on the Pixel 7 Pro. I might be able to do it. See you all in the next video.